Bravo 9, Foxtrot, Uniform X-ray.
Hotel Bravo 9, Foxtrot, Uniform X-ray. Thank you very much for coming back to my call. My name is Tony, Tango Oscar November Yankee. My name is Tony, and I'm living 100 kilometers north of the Rio de Janeiro. Okay, so back to you, microphone back to you from Swiss. Hotel Bravo 9, Fox Uniform X-ray, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray, South America. Listen to you, over.
Yeah, many thanks, Tony. Many thanks for picking me up. Your 5 and 2 to 5 and 9. Real 5 and 2 to 5 and 9.
5 and 9.
SSB. Name is Harry. Hotel Alpha Romeo Yankee. Which is in the north part of Switzerland. Over.
Roger, Roger, Harry. 100% copy. Thank you for the 5 and 9. You also 59. And the QSB very, very high. Yes, is it for my side as well. Okay, you are living north of Switzerland. Very good. I'm 100 kilometers north of the Rio de Janeiro, small town. I'm living close to the beach, to the ocean, Atlantic Ocean, about 500 meters, and lakes as well with salty water and waterfalls going to these lakes, okay? And this connection to the ocean. Very, very good seafood here. Okay, Harry. So I'm running about 200 watts into a vertical antenna 5/8 waves. Okay, 5/8 waves. Okay, is my antenna. And 200 watts into FT991. What is your working condition, Harry? Hotel Bravo 9, Fox Unite X-ray, Papa Yankee 1, Alpha X-ray, listen.
Papa Yankee 1, Alpha X-ray, HP9, SUX returning. Yeah, thank you for this question, Tony. My working condition is a Yaesu Fox Tango 1000 mic data, 1 kW and
1 kilowatt. 4 elementos.
QTH in the north part of Switzerland, in the mountain of Jura, near a very
Tá na montanha.
cold tower. Yeah, nobody knows this. I live on a small farm, 650 meters over sea level, over.
Roger, Roger, Harry. Thank you very much for information. Your 4 element beam and 1 kilowatt doing a beautiful job for you. Yeah, congratulations. Okay, I have a 2 elements cubical coil, 5 bands, and a linear with 4 tubes 811. But it's all broken. My antenna full down of my tower, and the amplifier blow off here. The power supply. Okay, one of electrolytic explosion here. But anyway, I will fix that. Okay, many thanks for the contact, Harry. Good look at the X for you. I really appreciated the contact, and I will upload it to all of these sites, and we can keep our logs. Okay, 73 Hotel Papa 9, Hotel Bravo 9. Sorry, Hotel Bravo 9, Fox United X-ray, Harry, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray with 30 degrees Celsius, 73.
Okay, Tony, 30 degrees Celsius, that's beautiful. We have early spring day here with 10 degrees.
10 graus, 10 graus lá.
But it's a bit sunny. But okay,
Aí, legal. Vou entrar aqui no 15.
Wish you all the best and thank you for this year. So always 70 degrees. Obrigado, thank you.
Okay, Dankeschön, Dankeschön. Cheerio, bye-bye from Brazil, bye-bye.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Olha aí, ó, 15 dele. Aqui o Zé, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray, Papa Yankee 1, Alpha X-ray, DX, over. Echo Alpha 4, Canada, Germany, I think it is. Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray returning. Thank you very much for coming back to my call. My name is Tony, Tango Oscar November Yankee. So microphone back to you, over. Okay, Echo Alpha 4, Canada, Germany, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. What is your name, please? Over. Okay, give me your name, please. Over. Okay, you're 5'7" as well. 5'7". My name is Tony. What is your name, please? Over.
Roger. My name is Jose Gutierrez Marie.
Ok María, gracias por el contacto mi hermano, un saludo cordial, un abrazo, espero verlo nuevamente en frecuencia, hasta siempre.
Ok, Tony, gracias, perfectamente recibido, gracias, un saludo.
Sí, ajustado la frecuencia, gracias por el contacto, un saludo cordial acá de Brasil mi hermano, un abrazo a la distancia. Eco América 4, Charlie Golf, Papa Yankee 1, América R, hasta siempre.
Ok, buen fin de semana, Tony.
Aquí what is that? Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray.
Oscar Zulu 1 Lima X-ray Lima.
Oscar Zulu 1, Lima X-ray. Oscar Zulu 1, Lima X-ray. Come again, please.
Hello to you, Oscar Zulu 1 Lima X-ray Lima. You are 59 in Denmark. 59 in Denmark. QSL?
QSL, thank you very much for the 59 in Denmark. You also 59. Oscar Zulu 1, Lima X-ray Lima. Thank you for the contact. Good looking at DX, my friend. Bye bye. QRZ? Florida 4 et bravo Mike Yankee. Bonsoir mon ami, bon après-midi. Merci beaucoup. Je te copie 59, n'est pas de problème. Le prénom du opérateur ici Tony, Tango Oscar November Yankee. Je te copie 59. Fox 4 et bravo Mike Yankee. Papa Yankee Unité America S. Votre écoute. À toi les Mike.
Ok, merci Papa Yankee, unité Alpha X-ray, Anthony. Bonjour Tony, vous êtes 53 ici sur la France. Le prénom est Didier.
Didier.
India Delta India Echo Romeo. Et je suis proche de la Suisse, le président du Léman. À toi le micro,
T'as un Léman.
Anthony, Papa Yankee Alpha X-ray. Florida 4, bravo Mike Yankee.
Ok, 100% copié, mon ami Didier. Fox 4 et bravo Mike Yankee, Papa Yankee en Alpha X-ray. Ok, 24 heures de la racing, ok, Le Mans, de 24 heures de Le Mans 100%, je connais, hein. Merci beaucoup sur les contacts, à bientôt. J'espère retrouver ton station en fréquence. Avec beaucoup de stations, parle avec moi, ok. Merci beaucoup, à bientôt. J'espère retrouver ton station en fréquence. Bon après-midi, à tout et tout à l'heure. 73, Fox 4, bravo Mike Yankee, Papa Yankee en Alpha X, à bientôt.